Hey guys, this is Sam and thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a couple of ways you can refinance your mortgage if you have bad credit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to shop around for a few mortgage lenders to submit your application. Second thing is you want to submit these applications within a 2-week period so that way it can limit the amount of inquiries on your credit report so it doesn't lower your credit score. The third thing is you want to consider looking at FHA loans instead of conventional loans, because with FHA loans the credit score requirement is a little bit lower than with conventional loans, and it may give you that option to refinance if your credit score is low. And the fourth thing is, if you're not able to refinance, you want to consider building up your credit, getting rid of any debt, paying down your payments on time to build up your credit score, and then making another attempt at trying to refinance. Hopefully those tips can help you out. If you had any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.